Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. This is video number 3 of the Larry's typewriter that got damaged in shipping. So I got the carriage moving completely free. I tied the drawband off here so I can move this carriage without under tension. So right now I'm working on the left margin. So the margin on this side is jammed. It won't move. And I think I have determined what's happened here. And this piece here that got bent is also bent down, I think, interfering with this piece right here, which is kind of hard to see because this side has the same piece here, and the margin's right here, so it's jammed underneath this piece right there. So this is the margin on this side. And it slides, but it's jammed under that piece right there. So I have a feeling that piece is just bent down, so we're going to try to form it back up on camera. Let me get a bender here. And I know I adjusted this piece that way to avoid the scraping that was doing right there. So it's also got a compound bend that's bent downward. I do believe that if I form this up, it's going to work. So let's give it a try. See if I can get some clearance on that. Oh, ouch. Just bit me a little bit. Let's try this a little more here. I can get a little better grip on this. It's not grabbing very good here. I think that's it, though. I think it's jammed under here. If I can move this out of the way, like I think it's jammed under here. There, see? So there it goes. Now I'll be able to form this up properly. And that's going to cure this, I think. Let me get this up here. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Let's slide this back. Yeah, see, I think it's, let me get the rack back in place here. I don't think it's enough yet. Let's see. Oh yeah, that worked. Move it back over here. Well, I think we got it. See, it's not catching under there anymore, so I think that's it. So let's put it back together and try it. So I'm going to connect this drawband back up, which goes from here to here. So we take it off of here, like that, and we're going to connect it up to right there. So now it's got tension. Let me grab the typewriter, the rest of the typewriter, which is right here. Let's put the carriage back on and see if we got success. And if we do, I'll be impressed with Hermes and a little impressed with myself and unimpressed with Federal Express. Put this down in here properly. Okay, I think we got this down. See, oh, it's not down all the way. There we go. Nope, still. Okay. There we go. We'll get this side secure. Okay, this side is in place. Carriage is moving free again. Alright, let's try it. Okay, so we got it all the way over here. I should be able to flick this. There we go. We got the margin to move. We try it some more. We try it a little further. We back it up here, right to the edge. Alright, we're fixed. The machine took a licking and kept on ticking. Excellent. I think she is fixed completely now. Thanks to FedEx or whoever mishandled this at some point. Time to repair the margins, or margin. Okay, looking good. That's our quick little third thing to repair on this. Or good day.